Today I'll be showing you how to change brakes on a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Remove the cap off the master cylinder reservoir. This will prevent getting air in the lines and causing it to feel cushiony or resistant when you're pushing the brakes on a normal basis. If there's air in lines, it'll feel like something's pushing back. You'll get a cushion resistance to it, and it's not normal operating procedures to have air in there. So make sure you do this. It prevents and also will prevent, if you got fluid in there, from breaking the seal. Step 2 is get you a proper socket, which is in this case a star set. Put it right in here, and there's a bolt right here and a bolt down here where my thumb is. And this Jeep, which a lot of vehicles don't have, has a booty cover you gotta take off. Cap keeps that getting water in there and rust and making it harder to come out. See, it's like that. Easy to get off. Take the bottom one off. There's another step number 3. There's a spring thing you gotta get out. It goes on the brake to there, caliper, and goes under the other thing. Help keep it slack out of it. You gotta take that off. See it? That's where you can get this off. I forgot to say that. I beat it loose a little bit where I get that off. It should come right off. 3. It's not really a step. Sometimes you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to hit that, beat that off after you get them unscrewed. Okay. Once you get this off, I'll say the next step. Step 4. Is get you a good C-clamp. I got the one section made for it. It's got a button over here where you can push that thing up. I'll show it to you. And then you can, after get it to the thing, you can screw it in. You start screwing it. You get a good bite. Don't put it on no hoses. Don't put it on any hoses or anything like that, because you'll bend the hose, break it, cause it to leak. On back of the cylinder, you can get a good bite on there like I just did here. If you can see that. Let me see if I can get some light. See right there. And I use the old brake pads. That one that has a ring on it, it's already in there, leave it in there. And put that against there so it ain't gonna break the cylinder. It ain't gonna puncture the cylinder, you know, and it makes sure it's got a flat against both sides of that cylinder. And you want to push it flush as you can right here. So that's so you can, when you put your new brakes on, you'll have room to put it back down in there over that rotor. It's got to go just like that. Okay, see the C-wrench I got? It's got that button that when you push that button, it will slide in and out freely until you let go of it. So you want to get it on the back of that caliper, and this side on the brake where you got over the cylinder. If you get close you can, then you start screwing it in to compress that cylinder inwards. A good tool to have. It makes your job easier. And you see I got the cylinder as far as it go in. You see the Jeeps, it comes with the ring already attached to it. That's when it goes in toward the cylinder. You put the ring in the cylinder like it. Oh my God. And you put this one right here and back. See how that's sitting? Okay. Okay, there's step 7. Let me get this light out of your eyes. Okay. Step 7 is I got it on the thing. Now I'm gonna screw these in. Some bolts. Step 8. This could be step 7 if you want. I'm just doing it different. I do all the finishing touches after I get everything tightened. So I got that screw tightened and this bolt tightened. That keeps the brakes on tight. Now I'm gonna put the caps on them, back on, to keep it from getting wet and rusty in there. Then you got this thing, the spring, retention spring that keeps it tight, keeps any slack out of the brake. It goes in, see them 2 holes right there and that one right there. Then these go under there. And this one too, so I'm going to use both hands to get me pliers to do that. And I'll show you the finished product in a second. Got that on there. This is complete now. The back brake pads are on. Everything's tightened. I'm ready to put the wheel back on, the rim and tire. This concludes the rear right brake pad replacement of a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited.